Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, girl, I got a new wig and this is it. This is how it comes, and this is from an Amazon seller called Cossaro Wigs. Their direct link will be down below in the description box, so don't skip over that description box, girl. All the information is right there. But yes, girl, this is how the wig comes, packaged just like this in this bag. So in this bag you get your 2 headbands. Now these headbands are kind of thinner than what I'm accustomed to getting with these headband style wigs, but nonetheless they're cute or whatever, I guess. But they are on the thinner side, so they're not very, very thick. You do have stocking caps, which is always nice. I love it when they include stocking caps with your wig purchase. And this is the wig right here. Now she is 16 inches, curly hair, natural color, 150% density, okay? Alright, so she's still in the net. She has her paper in. We're going to take all of that off real quick. Yes, she's pretty. Look at the hair. So gorgeous. I love that curl pattern. So pretty. This usually gives you that pretty spirally ringlet type curls as it gets older. Oh, I love that. The cap construction is pretty standard. It looks just like any other headband style wig. You have this little Velcro piecey piece here to help you adjust it and get it right and tight on your head, which is awesome. And you do get your comb at the top, 2 at the sides, 1 at the back for added security. So these wigs are really, really secure, so you don't have to worry about it sliding off. I get asked that a lot. Will it just slide off? No. You can attach the combs, and even if you don't, like myself, I don't often do the combs, the wigs never slide. But girl, look at that hair. This is so pretty. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get it tried on, and this is how my hair is under my wig. I just washed it, so this is normally how I keep my hair, either in 2 plaits or in 4 plaits when I'm wearing my wig styles. Okay, I would really suggest wearing a black stocking caps with these. That's just my preference for these, but since this is all I have on tap, girl, this is what we're gonna do. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on the headband wig, and let me give you a closer look of the inside. And then there's the Velcro closure piece, okay? And that's going to help you secure the unit on your head. Now with these wigs, you can wear them however you like. And I love the versatility of these. I'm just placing the 2 little combs in to help me get it situated on the head. Now these are big head friendly, because y'all know I got a rather big head. And if this fits me, sis, it will fit you. And my hair is thick, so yes, girl. It fits, it fits. And I'm going to take the Velcro side with the soft piece where you attach the teeth, bring it around, grab the other side, and snap them together. Snap, snap. Girl, my wig's on and secure. Just bring the wig down on the sides. You definitely want to make sure that you're wearing a black stocking cap to conceal your hair underneath, or just tuck it in real good like I just did and you can't see it. Boom, bam. Okay, good to go. She is beautiful. Look at this hair. Again, this is 16 inches. Now you can wear it like this, bring it down more if you're trying to conceal your edges. This is great for those who are in the process of regrowing their edges, or you have sparse edges. This is great to camouflage that. Now if you want to be all fancy, fly, and cute and do something fancy with your baby hairs, you can do that. You can slide it back a little more to reveal a little more of your hairline. You can definitely do that, but give me a second, let me get better adjusted in this, and I'll be right back. So if you wanted to wear this up in a messy bun style, you can definitely do that too. So that is why I love the headband wig trend, because you can do so much with these units. So cute. I am definitely loving it. So be sure to check them out, girl. And if you have Amazon Prime, girl, you can have your wig in 2 to 3 days, okay? Don't miss out on this great wig. The hair is so beautiful. The curls are amazing. It is so soft. It is beautiful. Love this wig. I love the versatility of these wigs, girl. Super duper cute. Okay, so this is how it looks with the cutesy headband that comes with the wig. So cute. I just love the way these wigs look. They're just so cute. Now let me show you the back. Again, this is 150% density. Really nice density. I love the length. Great for every day. Perfect, easy, beginner friendly curly wig, y'all. I love this hair. This hair is gorgeous. But that is it for me. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video. Bye.